On the basis of ongoing discussions about management of the pandemic, which is dominating the world on different matters of affairs of the state, and the recent declaration about its transformation into the Omicron variant was also a matter of concern for us, which demanded essential needs for understanding the requirements of the management of the diseases at multiple levels. As World Health Organization is talking about management of the epidemics and pandemic diseases with reference to the its existence into the form of communicable and non-communicable diseases, as reported today into the press briefing by the World Health Organization team, as I would like to state here, like the Director General of the World Health Organization is advocating about the findings of the International Health Management Information System regarding existence and appearance of epidemic diseases on consistency basis, which indicates about existence of communicable and non-communicable diseases. He is emphasizing about considering the need and demand of the research and development for the purpose of the development of the investigative tools and methodologies for identification of the illness of the body on the basis of symptomatic parameters of measurement of the body, such as like body temperature, physiological activities, metabolic activities, or complaints by the patients like dizziness, body ache, or well-being, and so on. He had emphasized regarding promotion of the vaccination and intake of the chemical medicines also for the well-being of the diseased individual. Further, the executive director, Mike Ryan, had requested countries to accomplish the goals related with the demand through patients regarding cure from their illness from multiple level of outlets of the healthcare assessment and service delivery to the person seeking for medical advice from community health counselors and medical professionals at multiple locations, either at local level or at institutions established by private or government organizations into their nearby locality. Um Actually, people visits different health facilities to access treatment for their illness through chemical as well as injectable kinds of substrates to let them feel well from their illness. So we have to understand what kind of treatment could be availed to them so that we can arrange essential requirements to ensure availability of all those demands by the suffering patients. Further, the chief scientist of World Health Organization, Dr. Soumya Swaminathan, had spoke about essential needs for observation of the statistics related with variance and gaps of the persons being admitted to the healthcare facilities and their further treatment and discharge after observing the state of normalcy as stated by the admitted patient and reported by the healthcare providing attendants. So here is a logical arguments her logical arguments regarding understanding the need of the treatment for old age people through delivery of essential drugs and supplements through facility based service delivery or through community outlet program is also essential, which should be taken into the considerations. Then the executive director of the World Health Organization, Dr. Mike Ryan, acknowledge the demand related with the observation of the admitted patients during the period of 5 or 6 days of incubation after completion of their illness. Here is a process related with a medical treatment was discussed that how we have to ensure treatment to the patients accessing medical health care services from different kind of healthcare providing outlets. So he emphasized on the need to observe that what kind of illness is being complained by the patients and what are the essential means to cure them. Onwards, he also emphasized on considering the socio-economic constraints of the patients to ensure availability of the required essentials for their survival and sustained livelihood through the periods of seasonal changes which may appear as changes into the normal physiological metabolic process. Again, it is better to understand that it could be measured through the homeostasis of the body, as I had mentioned earlier into the report. However, considering the survival pattern of the community is also helpful to formulate coping mechanism and a strategy for well-being of the community. I would like to quote about the findings of Dr. Janet Diaz on understanding the needs to take sincere measures for resolving the findings related with the readings on multiple parameters of complaints through the patients and the statistical findings by the clinical data management team to avail appropriate treatment. The Director General thanked everyone and hoped for the betterment of the normal state of survival of the peoples across the globe on the occasion of the New Year, which is about to be observed across the globe. But I would like to mention that we have to understand about the community pattern of survival to ensure availability of required services. These were the findings related with the World Health Organization's recent statements released through media briefing programs, and based on the observations through different channels of communication to disseminate message related with well-being of the people, how it is being discussed on different panel discussion and being discussed at different level of governance that need to be taken into the consideration because pandemic and epidemic, these were the terms which were used by World Health Organizations to notify or orient the global executives about considering the essential needs of the problems of the community of their own territory of governance, how it was being observed, how people had taken these things into their serious concerns, and how initiatives were taken regarding formulation of the policies and implementation of the schemes to ensure